Now people put it on the bump up like that. People on the bump up like that. Jerry Charlie, we have the bump up like that. We are cut off all of the bump up like that.
When you hear that, my viewers, when you hear where Thick Man did a sing say before him drop on Fame face, say people are go dead. Well, war is in the air right now in a Spain town. Top bank killers them, go murder one of Teshamila soldier them. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Car Teef get Ketch on camera in a correct town. Plus, we go talk about a warrior. We are start up in a Spain town. So before me jump in at the reasoning, and make you know what I go on, pre this. When you see that video you wanna see on the screen, I in a correct town that where them car thief they get catch on camera, and them did have to run back the people them car, cause the people them see them and know who take it, So see them viewers, or you have born and grow in a ghetto. Your race come see everybody a suffer in the ghetto. And you go turn round and a pray upon the people them in the said ghetto. I want to know for them youth, man. You no need to look in the mirror and wake up in a life. That with no for uno. Cause see it as well me I say, a ghetto this, and at the same board them if you protect the ghetto and a defend the ghetto. A turn pan the people them in the ghetto. You see why me always say the ghetto will always be the ghetto. And the dance and the general them not care about none of one in the ghetto. So all no for una protect gunman and a shield gunman. Remember this, you see the moment you rise, you just become a target. And at the same gunman them, where you friend up and heal up every day, I go come take your things and splash out your marrow. So see them viewers, the car thief them in a correct town, have to run back the people them car. So no walk with me and now. See it ya, war is in the air in a Spain town, Top bank killers them, go murder Teshamila soldier Mickey from Dallas Lane in a Spain town plaza. My people, remember good JC for clean up Spain town, and look ya, other man them and clansman them a go at it brawling me I tell you now. My people, this thing ya go on in a Spain town from Wappy kill fill up. One other gang versus clansman killers them. And it nah go stop. The money too sweet where they over in a Spain town, You no think say the man them a war for free? Extortion the man them a war over. Who for run the town and who for control the plaza and who for collect the most extortion. That's why you see the man them a gym screech every day and a slap out them enemy them head back. So see it my people, when I know one thing or the other, daddy badness drop. First it was termite, add after that, a portion to youth we see a drop in a Spain town till see it now. As well as some viewers, a Teshamila soldier, Mickey from Dallas Lane, the top banks killers them go bust out him head. And we know say top banks and Ty spend a link, cause no done did see that already from when termite was alive. So my people, stay safe on them side there, cause no think Mickey a go just drop so. And Dallas Lane killers them a go take that so. Look out for what go on in the coming days. Even though JCF a go post up, cause no don't know so the thing go. When man drop on them face, JCF run in curfew for couple days. And then after that, back to normal programming again. So my people, as we say, stay safe out there. Cause this thing you not gonna have no end. We don't see how Spain town badness go already. So as we say, stay safe on them side there. Until next time, my people. You go dig off here now. You don't know the code of road. A life over death. You see me?
Now people put it on the bump up like off all of them bumbo clap them. All the station about and them bumbo clap them. Drive out, right to like we talk about. And a boy I'll pick up and walk the inboard. And we not pay fish at 30 days back out. And we stepping on that and we mash up his house.